Eyeball prophecy in
Yay!
This got crashed.
Yo, I hope this B-27 dude isn't like a
I'm a kid. Also not good.
Did he just say he's not a kid? Oh my god. What such baloney?
I don't like Roblox. It's the worst. The only one I like is horror games and 3D games and Steam.
I think they're fine. Yeah. I just wish, you know, it didn't look like a
This kid has no friends. This kid has no friends on Steam. It literally says friends 0.
Wait, did he make his account today?
No.
When did he make his account?
Yeah, no, he's been.
That's a lot of phones.
I bet you this is his first game.
And because I never want to play. And I don't know how to friend anyone. Oh, that one too.
Stop.
Okay.
I bet you this man has Cheeto dust all over his
It's the weekends. I don't have any work or school.
Stop. Stop, Dad. I'm gonna beat you up.
And I'm
It's not like
homeschooled.
oil. It's not like oil.
I'm not an iPad kid. I'm a PC kid.
Even worse! Homeschool is crazy!
Yeah, I go homeschool. So I'm mostly a PC kid.
Huh? No.
I'm like an introvert, so I don't really talk.
No.
I hate those winglets. Stop saying those winglets. I hate those.
Alexa, stop! Yeah, I just reported this.
If you could get me, I'm gonna get banned. Okay, I'm gonna spam everything over. I'm gonna spam. I'm gonna spam.
Does he even move?
I'm not gonna ban. I'm not gonna get banned forever. I'll be everywhere, every single day.
Can black people only say?
Bro, I'm literally recording.
Oh my god, he's getting clear to me.
Maybe I should, like...
Yeah, I need to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT this. Can white people... Shut up, Skip! Can white people say...
Yes.
Hold up, I'm gonna check if your line is clear.
Really matters. Okay, I can say the word. DVD, you were supposed to take another cut cut of cars. You're actually supposed to take another cut of cars.
Dr. Guy, we're what is it?
You were supposed to take another cut of cars.
With this minge right now. Bring it to me, it's insane. You're doing like 45.
Okay, I'm gonna put big.
What is little brother?
Twin Towers! Stop trying to recreate 9/11!
What?
No, I was born in 14. No! It crashed! No!
Bro! Oh my god.
I'm gonna ping administrator. Admin.
Going to go down.
This dude learned
Yeah, I
how
just
to
pinged
type.
admin.
Bro. This kid literally just learned how to type on a computer just to do this.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
Bro, I
just
can't even
we're
move.
not doing anything.
Oh god. We are so cooked.
Oh, this kid, come on.
Bro! Ain't no way! Ain't no way!
What is this?
Yo, I just
Is there a
pinged
bunch of
admin. They
scalp-
don't. It's trying to recreate 9/11.
He's doing the bad right now. It's not very cool.
Okay, yeah. They're too busy watching freaking. Like. They're too busy watching freaking Luigi. Oh my god. Actually, come on. I don't want to spam ping them. I also want to get their attention.
Oh my lord, I'm trying to run a train. Calm down.
Bro! Ah! The server fight! I think the server's finally, like, going.
I think
Yeah.
I think you should take.
Get it live. Get it live, bro. Stop crashing the server, little bro. Stop crashing the server, little bro. So get it
Oh, your
live.
voice isn't even going through, bro. Your voice isn't even going through.
Dude!
I'm trying to run a train. I don't have.
Bro, I'm just stuck in the maintenance facility. Bro, you can hear his computer in his microphone. It is breathing. It is desperately gasping for air. Like, ain't no way this man is doing.
Yeah, just ping freaking operators.
You know what? I bet you he has no friends and he's doing this for attention, which is kind of sad, actually,
Oh, I can see
that I think about it. That's the server right now. The server is literally on fire. Bro, the lerp is so bad that literally I can't even turn anymore.
Bro, we should have an anti-spam.
Yeah, bro. Like slow chat, we need like slow spawner. Where like you can have a set amount of time before you spawn something else. Or like need verification,
Yeah, I was
or
gonna
like
say
a certain role to like actually spawn stuff, so these kids can't just like immediately just start.
Yeah, you
spamming.
gotta join the Discord server if you wanna like spawn stuff in.
No, that's
Like you have to get like a verification thing.
Yeah, you have to join a Steam group or whatever. Just like old FCNN.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but I said old FCNN. Bro, they just like said, they just reacted with a GIF and said noted.
They better be hopping on this server, boy.
But they just said noted. Like they sent a GIF.
I think they might just like.
Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, there he goes! Bro, but that gif is too good though.
Yeah. I bet he's on the console trying to clean up everything right now. Or clean his crops.
I think the server's.
Bro, just look at me in the air. I'm just floating there.
Just say no expunge from Dave and Bambi sucks.
I mean, he is the bad guy, but like.
No, admins. No one has the admins rule. Yeah, no one has the admins rule.
Yeah, do the
Oh, you gotta ping operators. Yeah, I know, but they're gonna get mad.
Oh.
So delete it.